Alright, we are going live here with a large tornado in progress in Nebraska. I don't know if you guys could see it, but that's a strong tornado there. They're not far away at all from this. It must be slow moving. It's not moving like at all. Can't even imagine how strong this is. Radar looks pretty strong, and it looks like it's getting even stronger. With it, I could. See, but yeah. Fortunately, it's way smaller now. Should be coming. I'm right there in a second. And oh my gosh, they're extremely close to this. I bet this is still a strong tornado. Looks like it just lifted for a second. At least non-condensed. Dude, that storm just had a huge tornado. There's already been like 2 strong tornadoes today, but we weren't able to go live. We didn't have enough stuff set up. Yeah, this was watching through live. Storm chaser. We're gonna wait here, and also while we wait for the storm to, because it might be hours until this storm is dying, so it's going to be at least a few hours until more fire up. So we're gonna take a break as we still don't have everything fully set up. So we're gonna take the time to do that. So we just wanted to do a quick live stream, but yeah. But yeah, oh man, look at this ground sky.